So guys, a couple actually cool features. Not only can you rotate the camera live, but you can also switch back and forth from photo to video mode by pressing a button. It is honestly, a lot of cameras could take a lot of features from this and really do wonders. This is really well designed and well made, not just as a cool look and style, but also the software involved is actually really good. Welcome back, my friends. So for today's video, we are showing you a children's camera. It's 8MP photo, HD video, timing mode. So let's go ahead and show you what it looks like. So they provide you with a little support card, all different accessories to become a beginner pro. Tripod, they provide you with, this would be a USB, I believe. Yeah, so this, you would put an SD card in here and then plug this into your computer to get your video files. So they provide you with all kinds of accessories, charging cables, different brackets, mounts, pretty much everything needed. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see. So you pull this right here, that pops that open, and that opens this up. Now this is a waterproof case, so you can have this in the water, which is really cool. You have all your buttons on the outside here to control this in the water as well. So all your different power buttons, modes, and all that. Oh, and up here, record or take pictures. Let's go ahead and open this up and take the camera out. So just like that. And this is the little camera. Huh, look at that. You can actually rotate the video camera around, so for selfie mode. That's really cool, my friends. So right over in here is the charge. Okay, so on and off. So this would be switch on before power. So that's on and off, and there you would charge it right through there. On the side here, let's see. Okay, so they do provide you with an SD card. So the SD card is an 8 GB, and they supply it, so they give you everything you possibly could need to start this. So you go ahead, just slide that in. And what you would do is, you might be able to plug this in and then plug the USB into your computer, and it might register. If it doesn't, then all you have to simply do is pull this out, take your SD card like this, slide this in just like that, and then plug this into your laptop or computer. And then you can get the files from that. When you're done, you just pull this out. Make sure you line this up right. You'll have to see, so you just gently put it in, and if it pushes down in and clicks nice and easy, then you know you aligned it right. Let's go ahead and press the power button. Let's see here. We might have to press and hold. There we go. Alright, so there's a whole bunch of modes here. So you can select your modes by left and right, and then OK. So it looks like there's camera, video, music, shows a TV, a microphone, and then settings. Let's go under settings. We're going to format the SD card. Okay, so format the SD card. Version, default settings, language, auto power off, screensaver, frequency, So for frequency, I recommend setting it at 60 Hz. Camera resolution, looks like 8 is going to be the highest that they have. Video resolution, we're going to up that to 1080. So you can go through your settings and you can play with everything. Okay, let's go under camera and let's take some photos. Alright guys, we are back to the video. So I'm going to hold the camera still and show you guys what it looks like with me holding the camera still but moving. Yeah, so it looks actually good quality. Now we're going to move around with holding the camera. You know, looking at the little screen actually looks like it's very good quality. Now, we have the camera facing us, but what I find fascinating is, watch this guys. As we're recording live, we can rotate the camera around the other side. That is awesome. Like, that is an amazing feature, my friends. Wow. The fact that you can do that is really cool. So here's looking outside. Now, of course, the more steady hand you have, the better the quality is going to be. And check this out. Look at this. We're moving this right back to us, and it reposition itself. Guys, this is really cool. Kids, teens are going to love this. I really think so. And we're going to turn it off now. So guys, a couple actually cool features. Not only can you rotate the camera live, but you can also switch back and forth from photo to video mode by pressing a button. It is honestly, a lot of cameras could take a lot of features from this and really do wonders. This is really well designed and well made, not just as a cool look and style, but also the software involved is actually really good. Very, very shocked, guys. Now, of course, the video quality, I'm curious to see how it's going to look. I think it's definitely going to look very good if you have the camera, you know, sitting still or if you're steady hand. But overall, guys, so far I'm impressed. And, you know, I'm not holding the quality to such a crazy high standard because of the size of the camera and, you know, the price point and everything. However, you guys can see, you know, what you want to look at. You can see the footage that I'm about to show you and decide for your own, but I'm impressed with the quality and everything, and the fact that you can just do this on the fly. You can rotate. I didn't turn my camera at all. As you guys see, the camera position stays the same. It just rotates over to me. I'm just taking my finger and moving the camera lens to the other side. That's how amazing it is. Like, I'm blown away. And I have GoPro Hero 10. I have, you know, Sony cameras. I'm blown away by this little thing. I really am. This is actually a lot of fun.